Good morning, everybody. Me, Dr. Mahadev Yadav, lecturer in physics, Government Polytechnic, Khagaria. Today, I am going to teach about the error, which is in Basic Physics, Unit 1. Error. In daily life, we say error arises in every work we do. Practically, we speak, we go anywhere, error arises. Error is the nature of human being. It comes, but in practical error we read, we study. Then we say any discrepancy arises in the measurement of the physical quantity, that is the error here. Okay? Now we say how many types of error. There are three types of error. We see in first here systematic error, random error, gross error. In systematic error, the error which occurs either positive side or negative side, as we see in a screw gauge, negative error, positive error. If error is negative, then we multiply it with the least count. First of all, it is multiplied with pitch, and then negative error is added, and if it is positive, then subtracted from the final result. Now, systematic error. There are 5 types of the systematic error. First, the instrumental error. Second, procedure. Third, personal error. Fourth, natural error. And fifth, least count. As we see here. Now, one by one, we mention about the error. The instrumental error. It comes due to manufacturing defects of the instrument. Error arises called the manufacturing instrumental error or manufacturing error also. Error in the graduation, error in the manufacture of the body of the instrument. When we go in practical room and we select a manufacture error instrument and we continue to use it, then we have not perfect reading and perfect data we got. Then error comes. Now this is the instrumental error. An error we also called it manufacturing error because the instrument may be errorful. Second procedure, we also know the different practical has different procedure. If we forget the procedure, how to operate the instrument, then error comes. Simply we see in slide calipers the there are two scale, main scale and vernier scale. List count, main scale plus vernier scale joint effort gives the result. Then main scale reading is data collect. Again vernier scale reading is multiplied by list count and then added with the main scale result and we find the final data. Then such type of error, if we use screw gauge to find the list count, they are different thing. List count is fetched by total cap graduation in the screw gauge, but list count in the slide calipers, it is one division of main scale minus one division of vernier scale. This is the list count. And list count is nothing but how the list value measured by the instrument is the list count. Now we come to Fresnel error. Error arises due to lack of proper setting of the instrument also. This is the Fresnel error. This also arises in reading the instrument without setting it properly. It also comes taking the observation wrong without caring of the sources of error and the precautions. It also arises due to recording the observation wrongly. In this way, we see error personally arises. Natural error. Error arises due to change in nature like temperature, pressure, humidity. When temperature changes, the length of the instrument changes. So the gapping in the student, sorry, gapping in the graduation of the instrument changes, and due to change this graduation reads different value, it will not give us the actual value. Humidity, pressure of nature changes the shape and size of the instrument, measuring instrument. Next, list count. We have heard about the list count. List count the minimum value measured by the instrument. In generally we see meter scale. Centimeter is graduated generally in 10 times. Each gap gives us the millimeter. Therefore, in this instrument we measure the minimum value is the millimeter. But if we want to measure the small value, then we go through the different instrument like slide calipers, like screw gauge. We can measure small and small value. The least count of slide calipers we have heard that one main scale reading minus one vernier scale reading gives us the least count of the slide calipers. And in screw gauge, least count is pitch by total cap graduation. We have seen the 5 eras which is systematic error, instrumental error, procedure, personal error, nature, natural error, least count. Now, out of these 5, random error, we observe different time of observation of the reading are different is called the random error. Sometimes we see main scale remains the same, but the vernier scale slightly changes. In screw gauge, we see the number of rotation is constant, but the cap reading changes. This is the random error. Then we come to gross error. Gross error arises due to reading in instrument. If we read the instrument on placing vertically upon our eyes, this is the good. But when we see same graduation on tilt on other side or in lazy way, then error comes. In this way, we see the error comes in many ways. But we want to approach the actual value. We have to collect so many data and then we calculate the average of these data. Average here different type we calculate. If A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, if data, then A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 are added and we divide it with the number, it is 5. If it is 10, then we divide it 10. We also take the average, mean, arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Generally, we select here arithmetic mean. Thanks for watching this video and stay with us patiently.